Hello, I'm Greg Trask, and I'm here today to introduce you to our memory kits. There are 7 different memory kits that you can check out, and today we will be unpacking the gardening memory kit, simply called In the Garden. Now you might be asking, what are memory kits? Well, memory kits are designed for individuals who have memory concerns or cognitive impairment resulting from dementia or similar conditions. Each kit includes activities that provide meaningful and enjoyable ways to engage in life while completing familiar tasks. So let's see what kind of activities are provided in this In the Garden memory kit. First, we have a packet that goes over what you'll find in the kit, an explanation about dementia, tips for the care partner, getting started with an activity, frequently asked questions, and a place for you to write your own notes and thoughts, and this is a packet that you keep. Next, we have a packet of quick tip resources. Again, these resources are for you to keep. So the activity we have today is felt flowers and leaves sorting. And so let's see what's in here. We have a work mat, we have a sign for flowers, a sign for leaves, we have our basket, and our container of felt flowers and leaves. We'll open up the container and put the pieces in the basket. And then your loved one can simply sort the flowers and the leaves by the signs. And this gives an opportunity for you to engage with your loved one to talk about things that may have been important to them in regard to gardening, if that was their interest. Now, these activities offer a number of different benefits. For one, they help support skill maintenance such as hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, memory, attention, and more. But also, these activities are an opportunity to have conversations about memories. In this case, the memories would be about gardening or even just spending time outside. We have provided a variety of different kits to help you find one that speaks to the person who is participating. So, if gardening isn't of interest, we also have ones that deal with office life, home life, working with tools, the night sky, the kitchen, and one that engages in sensory exploration. Also, we hope that these kits can spark ideas for creating new activities and practices at home that promote conversation about life experiences. Call an Akron Summit County Public Library location today so that you can reserve and pick up a memory kit for their 2-week checkout time, or simply place a hold online. This is just one of the ways we are working on being a dementia-inclusive library. Visit akronlibrary.org for more information.